off the inside line. The Hyundai tries the outside and Andy Yan gets a toe as well. So he pulls away from Ryan Wong and he's right there on the back of the Hyundai. That was off the inside line. The Hyundai tries the outside and Andy Yan gets a toe as well. So he pulls away from Ryan Wong and he's right there on the back of the Hyundai. Now gets sideways and he's off in the barriers in spectacular fashion. Losey Ho's car is destroyed. He's hit again by Ryan Wong, who had nowhere to go. He's hit again by other traffic. The road is virtually blocked, which now gets sideways and he's off in the barriers in spectacular fashion. Losey Ho's car is destroyed. He's hit again by Ryan Wong, who had nowhere to go. He's hit again by other traffic. The road is virtually blocked. Which now gets sideways and he's off in the barriers in spectacular fashion. Losey Ho's car is destroyed. He's hit again by Ryan Wong, who had nowhere to go. He's hit again by other traffic. The road is
parando para auxiliar, a gente vai ver o replay.
É o mesmo ponto.
É no pneu na quina, como ele deu na quina. Tacando da borda, parando para auxiliar, a gente vai ver o replay.
É o mesmo ponto.
É no pneu na quina, como ele deu na quina. Na canônico, né? Só cuidar para calmar, cuidando da borda, parando para auxiliar, a gente vai ver o replay.
É o mesmo ponto.
É no pneu na quina, como ele deu na quina. Tacando da borda, parando para auxiliar, a gente vai ver o replay.
É o mesmo ponto.
É no pneu na quina, como ele deu na quina e acabou desmontando aqui a cabine do Kleber Electric. Ainda bem que essas cabines são quina do muro e acabou desmontando ali a cabine do Kleber Electric. Ainda bem que essas cabines são bem resistentes.
Side ready, Rast the driver, second and third of the championship, and now gets the place back. He goes second. Rast is third, but he's got balls on it now. On the brakes on the way to turn 8. He goes through the huge jump behind. Massive jump there, and Fireball as well. We're barreling at the inside of it now. On the brakes on the way to turn 8. He goes through the huge jump behind. Massive jump there, and Fireball as well. We've jump behind, massive jump there, and Fireball as well. We're carrying up the inside of him now. On the brakes on the way to turn 8, he goes through the huge jump behind, massive jump there, and Fireball as well. Oh, Thomas Briding is one of them. His car is destroyed. Coming together between Briding and Schumacher just behind there, coming together between Fella and Olsen, and then Fireball from Olsen's car. The engine became detached, and then coming together between Briding and Schumacher just behind there. They're coming together between Fella and Olsen, and then the Fireball from Olsen's car. The engine became detached. And then this line at LF, and you should be releasing back in there, and you'll have to take it.
and also